Alright Dream Team, it's Hato here. Hope you guys are loving life, doing whatever it is that makes you happy. We've just pulled up on a spot south of Karratha, WA for another cracking beach camp, cracking beach camp that I can't wait to share with you guys.
Don't hang up. Can we be friends again? I give up. I know how this ends. Might sound strange.
Now that beach camp is called 40 Mile Beach, also known as Gloria Point. Don't know if that's the right pronunciation, but that's what I'm going to go with. And she's $16 per night. Bookings are made through karratha.wa.gov.au. I'll put the link here somewhere for you guys to book it online before you get out. Access is easy, so for those of you guys with not four-wheel drives or touring vans, you don't need to stress because access is pretty easy at this camp itself. Some of the sites are a bit soft, so keep that in mind. That is where you might have an issue, but chat to the camp hosts. They're amazing and have a lot of knowledge to allow you guys to pick the right spots to make sure you don't end up knee deep in sand. Now the site that we're on, site 7, and that leads me to my next point. At the main entrance near the caretaker, you do have like a communal campground, which is obviously with a lot of other campers and on-road vans. If you want to break away from that, there are 3 kilometers of beachfront that you can, we're littered with sites on the way down, so you can choose one of those sites as well if you do want your privacy and you do want some space away from anyone else to do your drinking water. There is none available here, but a little hot tip for you guys: the gas plant, as you turn right onto the road into 40 Mile Beach Camp, there's a gas plant just on the right hand side with 2 water taps, that is drinking water. All I ask is a donation to the Royal Flying Doctor Service, so that's a little tip for you guys as well. There are dump points, there are rubbish bins at the campground itself, so you can dispose of your waste as well. Now you do have to have a chemical toilet to camp here, and you must bring your own firewood. Fires are allowed, obviously, permitting the council's approval, but fires are allowed at the moment. But you do have to bring your own wood in because foraging and collecting wood for burning is forbidden at this camp itself.
Like we always do. Like we always do.
Boat ramp, which is easy for those of you guys with your boats, and you can also fish for whiting and whatnot off the sandbank as well, which we're led to believe can be quite good. There is Telstra reception as well, guys. It is a little bit patchy, so keep that in mind. If you are coming out here, you do need connection. 40 Mile Beach Camp, I reckon she's a winner. Hope you guys have enjoyed this little review and showing you guys around this place. I certainly recommend it, and don't forget, if you've liked it, we're on a mission to just let you guys get out there and explore this amazing country and hopefully provide value. So like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Head over to our socials at The Real Australian Dream as well, and follow our journey as we explore this beautiful country and help a few sick kids along the way. Take care.